Hi guys, this is Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 4, Lesson 24. In this lesson we're talking about being able to add a pair of two-digit numbers when the ones digit has a sum that's less than or equal to 10. So to get this, we have 15 plus 21. Now we're going to break apart the smaller number, which in this case is 15. So that 15 broken apart is 10, 5. Now I know that I'm going to be adding my 10s to 21 first. I'm going to put my 10 right here and then my 5. If you did the other way, it's fine. I just like to do it to keep it a little bit more organized. So now I'm going to add my 10 to 21. So 21 plus 10. Well, I know if I'm adding one 10, that 2 is going to become a 3. So it's going to be 31. So I know that I'm just writing down my number of sentences as I go. 21 plus 10 equals 31. Now I'm going to add my 5, which was my leftover, and my 31, which is my other leftover after I added 21 plus 10. So now we're going to add 31 plus 5. So now we can count on. We can put 31 in our brain and count on 5 times. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So 15 plus 21 equals 36. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.